All right, let's go. What's going on, y'all? We are here at the range in the weather. Hey, but we gotta do what we gotta do. And today we're looking at my Glock 21 Gen 5 chambered in 45 ACP. I'm gonna talk about the specs in a little bit, but let me shoot it first. So I'm at 10 yards right now. I'm gonna run some ammo and then we're gonna talk about it. There it is. All right, let's get to it. It is empty, of course. So this is my Glock 21 Gen 5. It's chambered in the 45 ACP. If you've seen my previous video, you know I talked about some of the specs, but I'll give you a quick rundown. I got a light on here, Streamlight TLR HL7X. This is a enclosed emitter from a company called Let It Still, the PB3 Pandora. It's a really dope optic. I like it a lot. The coating is from a company called X-Works, 3-tone called Urban Woodland Camo, and the barrel is from KKM. What I think about the gun, I like this gun a lot. It shoots very, very well. But again, let me stop talking and shoot a little bit more. All right, still at 10. Yeah, so the gun shoots very good. I've had it for maybe about just under a month, maybe 3 weeks, and I've already surpassed 1,000 rounds. I've taken it to a couple trainings. It's great. I have no complaints about it. The recoil is very easy to manage, and the 45 ACP is a really good round to shoot. Probably it's one of my favorite, definitely a top 5 for me. But the gun feels good in the hand. As you can see, it's performing pretty well in all this madness, but no complaints. This optic is holding up pretty good too. I've definitely put 1,000 rounds through this and I like it so far. Let me know if y'all want to see me do a review on this specifically. I don't know if it's needed since it's on the gun and I'm running them both at the same time, but so far so good. But let me take it back a little bit. All right, so I'm back at 20. I'm still aiming center. That target's 25 by 17. And if I didn't tell y'all, let me put this up. I got my buddy with me. That is my drone. It's the DJI Air 3S. It's pretty good. I like it. But let me shoot real quick. All right. Back at 20. Let's go. All center. All empty, clear, and you can see no complaints. So the ammo I just ran initially was some S&B, all 230 grain bullets. The mag I just shot was some Ammo Inc. They both ran pretty good. No complaints with the ammo, and y'all can see it's holding up still. But I'm gonna run some more ammo. This is the some more Ammo Inc. Staying at 20 this time. I'm not gonna go back too far this time. It's definitely cold, so all center, of course. here we go. All right, fingers get a little stiff, but the gun's great. I like the 45. I like this Glock a lot. I have no complaints about it so far. Like I said in my previous video, this might be my new short. I mean, not my short, pause. My new bedside gun, but I'm not sure yet. But so far I'm liking it. I have no complaints. I definitely think if you want to shoot 45, go for it. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up this last mag, and then we're gonna close it out. It's definitely getting cold out here. I'm running some Hornady now. This is a 185 grain bullet. I've shot Hornady before. They're not my favorite ammunition manufacturer, but you know, it's whatever. I'm gonna take this last group with my left hand, and then we're gonna close it out. Still at 20, all center mass, 25 by 17. All right, that's it. Fingers freezing. But do I like the gun? Absolutely. Does it get a thumbs up? Yes, it gets, hold on, let me put that up. It gets 2 thumbs up. I definitely recommend it. No complaints from me. Again, if y'all like the video, of course, make sure y'all subscribe, comment in the section. I like when y'all do that. Share the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.